In one of my latest videos, someone really said that this was an office PC with the connotation that it's a pre-built from Dell, but I got a surprise for you. So this is my personal build, and I am packing a liquid-cooled 12-core Ryzen 9 3900X, 1.5 terabytes of SSD storage, 1 terabyte being a PCIe 4.0 SSD, and 32 gigabytes of 3200 megahertz RAM. This is the Loki Ghost S1 case with a large top hat to fit a 240mm radiator. And the CPU cooler is the NZXT Kraken X53 with the 7th generation Asetek pump. My GPU isn't that good, it's the RTX 2060 Super from Nvidia, and the primary focus for this build was for video editing, so this is good enough. I also have a 600 watt 80 plus platinum power supply from Corsair and the Asus X570i with active chipset and VRM heatsinks to power the CPU. Here's some benchmarks to show the performance.